bulky time meal number 2 today. I usually have about 3 meals when I'm doing this bulk, because I'm doing intermittent fasting, and so I try to get them in about 6 hours. This is the second meal, which is 250 grams of rice weighed before cooking, 500 grams of chicken, and 25 grams of peanuts. It's 1,495 calories, 201 carbs, 20 fat, 129 protein. That's a lot. So you see, that's the fork, and this is the huge bowl. I don't know if I'm even able to eat this, but I have to. So a week ago I would have said, "Whoa, nice, awesome, bulking, woohoo!" But now I'm already tired of eating that much. But fuck it, I'm gonna do it, and the energy is definitely up. Today I did some shoulder press with 66-pound dumbbells, which is something that last week, no way in hell. So, just continue bulking.